No, you gotta tell me about your channel.
Oh.
What do you do?
Hey guys, it's Biff from Fearless Mods. Working on the STI again today. Hope you're checking out that green S13. Good progress coming on the engine block there. I'm just working on a bash bar. Another day in our house.
Yeah, check out his channel, guys. Link in the description. What's up, Jared?
Yo.
This is episode 2 of engine breakdown, or teardown, whatever you want to call it. Today we're gonna get it up on the engine stand.
Get up on it.
If we can figure that out. So we have some sketchy bolts over here. Where'd they go? They're going for, oh.
They're inside of it.
They just kind of slide through, but you know, it'll be fine. So we're gonna take off the timing and then the flywheel and toss it up on this beautiful Harbor Freight engine stand.
Mint.
Yeah, I was gonna say that one's just gonna fall right off. These are different.
Yeah, no.
This one's brass, it looks like. Different sizes so you can tell the difference.
It's kind of sketchy.
Ah, you got it. So that's done now. We marked the timing before. Yeah, I don't know how. That's just the crank, but I don't know how that key is stuck in there. But, oh well. So now we're just gonna take off the flywheel and then put it on the engine stand. So now we're gonna take off the flywheel, doing the star pattern on the flywheel with our impact. It's size 19. Oh, it's already off. Yeah. It's this like perfectly straight. Ooh.
Got it off.
Look at that. Perfectly balanced. Beautiful. Timing is perfect. Top dead center. And whatever
you know, the best part of the shot.
It was like this.
Yeah, the best part of the shot.
What?
This.
Oh, that's what just fell off?
Probably. You gotta grab the back.
Find a good
underneath.
place.
You gotta grab
Underneath.
Okay.
Hold it underneath?
Yeah. Like come up slow and see if you guys how's it feel.
Not super heavy.
Whatever.
Awesome.
That's a great sound.
Oh my gosh. Just gotta lift up on it probably to take weight off of it. It's not got bearings. Why not? Spent a lot of money. Spent a lot of money on that. There we go. Put it in. Ooh. What the hell is that bar?
That's what pin sits against, I guess.
That's weird. I've never seen it.
Finally got it on the engine
It's like
stand.
it's like all the main caps come off in one piece.
Yeah, look at it. You unput all of them, then they all pop up.
Alright, so now I'm gonna take off whatever this is, in the same order that I took off the head bolts. So starting in the inner two, and then doing an X and another X. So see if I can get that without. I'm definitely gonna need the board, but where's it? Never mind. Okay, that's us. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
That was the problem. Oh wait, you got it.
Alright, so now I'm gonna mark which side, I don't know what this is called. All the main bearings are on here, but it doesn't say which end is which, so I'm just gonna mark this. A little arrow showing that it's the front half. It's a really bad arrow, but so now we should be able to take off the end caps for the connecting rods and pull out the rods and pistons. Whoa. Okay, so here's the end caps for the connecting rods. Got two, it looks like 12 mil bolts on each of them. So we're just gonna take those off, and we put the crank bolt back in there for the crankshaft pulley. That way we'll be able to rotate it and turn it over and move out all the pistons. So if you look in there, you can see the skirt, the inside of the skirt of the piston. This is really awesome. This is good progress. So it turns out these are actually 14 mil, and the socket doesn't really fit down in there too good, but I'm not going to be using these again, so. Oh man, they're all tight. Probably a good thing. What?
Push it out.
Well, we're gonna have to rotate it, get it out. First end cap off. I'm gonna go ahead and rotate the crank clockwise. This one might just fall right out. You got it?
Yeah. Hold up right there and I'll just pop it off. You ready?
Yeah.
Go if you can. There you go.
There you go. There we go.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Woo! So there's the first one. Ooh, sounds like it's gonna blow up. Got it. Number two. Rest in peace, the Harbor Freight ratchet. So first, just try to tap it out with the mallet. Ooh, that was an easy one. So was that. So then we just take these off, keep them in order.
Take the caps off. And I'm gonna put something on the stand, help him catch.
Got it? Ready for this one? The bearing. Not using it. Ooh! It's in 2 pieces! Oh! Look, it's shattered! Dude!
How is this?
I don't know what's good. I don't know how this car was running. This is the engine I got in the car, right? The rod bearing is in pieces.
And look, there's 2 more on the ground too.
There's 2 more down here. How? How's that running? So it's a good thing I'm rebuilding it instead of just boosting it like everyone's saying. Just send it. No. Rebuild your engines, guys. Oh my gosh. Would have blown up in 10 seconds. So yeah, awesome progress today. The engine is completely tore down. And this is the first time either of us have done anything like this, so I don't think we did too horrible. But yeah, we're gonna go eat dinner real quick. How's that look? The crank, is it all scored up?
Yeah, a little bit.
I'll have to get it on machine. So I'm probably gonna get the crank machine too. Who knows, maybe I'll have to use the one out of my current engine. That would suck. But if you guys know, KAs are pretty strong, and the rods are really strong. That was just the bearing that failed. Other than that, just machine work and getting the internals, the head gasket, the bearings, and we'll be one step closer to turbo. So we're gonna go eat dinner, and then we'll be back out here. Okay, so to take out the crankshaft, you gotta remove this cover, whatever you call it. Don't know what it's called. And then it should just pull right out. But, ooh, nice and crispy. Dude, I've always thought about this. People who like talk about how they were building cars in high school, like hot rods and stuff like that. And I was like, how are they doing that? And now that's me.
Yeah, that's us.
That's all we do. That's all we do, baby. Except I'm poor.
Broke boy.
Ooh! It's coming off a little sideways. There's 2 little pins here holding it on, so I don't want it to come off sideways. There we go. What a beaut. It's gotta come off like perfectly straight. Oh yeah. So, looks like there's some sort of, what is that? Oh, is that the rear main seal? Yeah. So the rear main seal, guess you can go ahead and replace that real easy. You get to pull out the big boy. Maybe. Ooh, this thing's heavy, yo. Dude, there's literally nothing left.
Look at it.
What is that? What is that? I have no idea what that is. That's pretty much gonna do it for this episode. Really all we're gonna do now is just clean it out and then send it off to the machine shop whenever I get the money for that. I'm thinking it's gonna be about 500 bucks to do the block, the head, get the head ported and polished, get all the valves reseated, check the turbo manifold, make sure that's flat. I'm gonna have to take out the ARP head studs out of my other engine and do a stretch test on those to see if I can reuse them. And then that's pretty much it. Maybe the intake and exhaust or intake manifold as well. But that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for the help, Jared. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, we'll catch you next time. Peace out.
Peace out.